Okay, para sa atong first coding challenge, you will write a program that works out whether if a given number is an odd number or an even number. Even numbers can be divided by 2 with no remainders. For example, 86 is an even number because 86 divided 2 is 43. Wayay remainder na may tabo. But 43 does not have decimal places, therefore division is clean. Okay, 59 is an odd number because 59 divided 2 is 29.5. May puwaki, may remainder na bilin. 29.5 is not a whole number. It has a decimal place, therefore there is a remainder of 0.5. So division is not clean. Okay. By the way, ang gamiton niyo na sign is the modulo operator. Okay, the modulo is written as percentage sign kani. It gives you the remainder of a division. For example, 6 divided 2 is equals to 3 with no remainder. So 6 modulo by 2 is equal to 0. Pasabot kung kanina operation atong gamiton, instead na 3 ang output, ipagawas ang remainder. So since 0 ang remainder, 6 is an even number. Okay, so kung iato i-apply si modulo, ingani ang may tabo. 16 modulo by 2 is equal to 0. Nganong 0 man? 16 divided 2 is 8 with no remaining na naitabo. So si modulo, instead na 8 ang igawas, ang remainder ang i-output. So kung magbutang ako diri ng 17, modulo by 2, Jay puwaki na 1 or may remainder na 1. With this, we can create a program na i-output kung even ba ang number or odd. Any even number is, pag imo i-modulo by 2, 0 ang result. And odd number is, if imo i-modulo by 2, 1 ang result. So, kani ang isang final output na ako na-expect sa izo. So, kung mag-input kita ng 35, kani, this is an odd number. Or, kung magbutang kita ng 56, this is an even number. Okay? Amo sa ang first nizo na coding challenge.